we're going to talk about meditation, but before starting, I have a question from all of you. So for the first time when you walked, were you able to succeed in the first attempt only? For the first time when you learned how to ride a bicycle, were you able to succeed in the first attempt only? I guess many of us were not, right? Then why do we expect the same from meditation? Why can't we give time to meditation, to learn meditation, to process meditation? So today we are going to talk about meditation and what does basically meditation means. Meditation means that you have to sit in a comfortable position, you have to lie or sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and then naturally you need to focus on your breath. This is what meditation means. Now the most important question arises is it really tough or do we made it tough? Now please let me know in the comment box कि meditation सच में tough होता है या इसको हम tough बनाते हैं. Now there are the ways that why we should do meditation. हमें करना क्यों चाहिए meditation? So basically meditation helps in the focus and concentration part of our mind. The second thing is it increases that part of our mind which helps in having the abundance of every good thing in our life like happiness, joy. So it increases that part of the brain and it reduces the part of the brain which leads to stress, anxiety and so on so things. Okay? And the most important thing is it helps you to live in the present, which we actually should do. Live in the present and do not think about future or past. Now when I ask people that what are the challenges that you face during meditation, so these are some of the answers that I got and today we are going to talk about it in detail. So the first thing that we are going to see is concentration, which is very much natural problem that we face, the natural challenge that we face. And initially you will find it difficult to concentrate, but basically that's what we have to learn. हमें यही सीखना है that concentration हम अपना कैसे ला पाए एक जगह पे. So for that I would suggest you need to practice this thing because you can't excel or you can't have a forte on one thing from the very first day. You need to practice that thing. So for concentration what you need to do is I have there are 3 types of meditation that you can do. First is a guided meditation, second is basically you need to focus on your breath, and the third one is the Om chanting meditation. So personally I feel when I try all of these, in this Om chanting meditation, the basic concentration you can put on yourself, like it's easy in this Om chanting meditation. The second challenge that I got is continuity. Okay, you're not continuous, like you do it for like 1 day or 2 days, you felt good and then from the third day something or any other thing happened कि आप नहीं कर पाते हो. So इसके लिए what I do is I make sure like for this like 15 to 20 minutes I do meditation daily, but I make sure whenever there are some days when we are very busy तो हम कहते हैं कि हम कल करेंगे, and this is the biggest mistake that we do कि हम कल के लिए टाल देते हैं उस चीज को. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, whenever we get time, I cannot agree on this fact that on this whole 20 to 24 hours you do not have the time to spend like at least 5 minutes on yourself. You must be having, right? 5 मिनट तो अकेले निकाल ही सकते हैं. So at least for 5 minutes, at least in a day for 5 minutes. बहुत ज़्यादा जिस दिन busy schedule है 5 मिनट निकालो और 5 मिनट करो. उससे क्या होगा, आपका जो स्केड्यूल है वो भी ब्रेक नहीं होगा और कंटिन्यूस एक्टिविटीज लाइक इट विल गो ऑन अ कंटिन्यूस बेसिस. सो daily try to do it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and on some days if you are very busy then do it, cut it for like 5 minutes, but do it daily. Try to do it daily so that this continuity problem will also solve. The third challenge what people come across was different thoughts in their mind or unwanted thoughts in their mind जिनको वो नहीं चाहते, and which is very natural. People, you know, even the people who have been practicing it for like more than 2 years also get these thoughts. तो ये बहुत natural है. पहले तो इस चीज़ को मान लो, मुझे भी आते हैं, I'm just a beginner, मुझे भी आते हैं, that's fine. But the main thing is how you can get rid of this thing. आप इसको हटा कैसे सकते हो? Okay, so for that I would सजेस्ट यू आप ऐसा कोई मेडिटेशन लो जिसपे the person is guiding you and you are actually thinking about that thing. तो जैसे कोई unwanted thought आए तो आप उसको एकदम से mind में क्रॉस लगा के साइड कर दो. That's what I do basically. Now the fourth one is very funny, like falling asleep. People falling asleep while doing meditation is also very natural. होता है, काफी लोगों के साथ होता है. Now what you can do on this thing is try this Om chanting meditation. इससे क्या होगा, for whatever like 10 or 15 minutes, जितनी भी देर के लिए this Om chanting meditation will be there, you would be able to concentrate, like you would be able to focus on that thing because you have been like chanting this thing Om Om always, okay, for like 10 to 15 minutes. तो आपका पूरा ध्यान उसकी तरफ होगा, तो जो है नींद नहीं आएगी. That's what I think. So yeah, so जिसकी भी problem थी falling asleep, you can try this Om chanting meditation. This will definitely help. The fifth problem that I came across to people was that they find it difficult to sit in a particular position. So for that, I would like to tell you that while doing meditation, you need to sit in a comfortable position. This is the most important thing, because if you are in a uncomfortable position, then meditation is not going to work, because basically it is there to calm yourself, and for calming yourself you need to sit in a comfortable position, but your spine has to be straight. So I'll be attaching some of the links through which you would be able to learn that how to sit for a meditation. And the most important thing I would like to tell you is start from small. पहले 5 मिनट करो, फिर 10 मिनट करो, फिर 15 मिनट, and then go for 20 minutes. Okay, so start small. And basically that's what all are the problems that I face also, and I am learning these things. I am actually applying these things what I told you. When I am learning, then why can't you? And the last thing, meditation is totally upon you, how you take it. If you want to take it as tough thing, it will be tough, and if you want to take it as an easy thing, it will be very easy for you, and the results for it are actually super amazing. Like for everything that you want in your life, meditation is the answer for that. So start it from today. So I've attached some of the links in the description. What I basically these are the links that I use while doing meditation. So I suggest you that you can go through that also, and we'll meet till the next time. Bye bye, have a good day.